In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube short thumbnail on the mobile. Once you're on the home screen, press on You in the bottom right, and then press View Channel. After that, below your channel description, press Manage Videos, and find the short that you'd like to change the thumbnail of. In the top right, there will be 3 dots. Press on the 3 dots, and then come down and tap on Edit. That'll open up the Edit Video menu. And here you'll see a pencil icon inside the video at the top. Press the pencil icon, and at the bottom you can drag across on the video and find the part that you'd like to make your thumbnail. When you've done that, press the check mark in the top right, and then save in the top right. And you'll see the video has been updated and the thumbnail has changed. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.